Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together. Back for more.
I know you missed this. I know you did. Okay, so what we finna do today, girl?
Get a little dirty. I don't know the rest of the words. Sorry, Christina Aguilera. It's been a while.
I actually don't know the rest of it either. But it's a good song. Y'all should check it out.
Really?
That's for the youths, because I know you don't know. Yeah,
I know you don't know that
from
you. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so we are here for some dirty fun.
Ooh, chat.
Now, I know what you're thinking. Get your mind out the gutter, kinda.
Nah.
Kinda.
She meant what she meant. She said what she said.
Drink-wise, okay? We're getting dirty drink-wise, okay? Thank you. Just wanted to clarify that for all those persons in the waiting room like, what you talking about? Okay, so this, we're gonna start with a shot. I always find that it's fun to start things off with a bang.
Well, remember last season? Well, there's that. So
Well, okay, you had some rough times in them holiday episodes.
I did,
but that's okay.
It was a struggle.
We learned some things since then, so I think you're gonna be good.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so this one is called Come in a Hot Tub Shot.
I beg your pardon.
He makes love to his wife and gets up, ski. Sorry about that.
Like COME, like come and get in a hot tub?
Well, no, we are talking about something that's produced by the male human. Yes. It is called
child.
Yeah. and apparently you're in a hot tub when it happens.
That's just nasty.
Yeah. So, I just have to say this before we continue. Who be coming up with these titles?
My stomach bubbling.
Oh yeah, my stomach bubbling.
Like, do y'all create the drink where you're like, that reminds me of a hot tub? Like, what? How did you? Anyways, we should just get into it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, exactly. Okay, so there's three ingredients.
Three
ingredients. You need vodka, so whatever vodka you want to use. We don't care, no discrimination here. A white rum. And the recipe calls for Bailey's, but we have substituted with, what is this called? LS Cream Liqueur, sorry about that.
It's black owned.
So, just to change things up a little bit.
Yeah.
And so we've obviously had Bailey's several times, but we've not had LS Cream.
Nope.
So we are going, damn, and that title with the name of this drink just, doesn't work out. Anyways, we are gonna sample this real quick before we get into the making of the shot, okay? Just so we are, aware of, well, that's really a drop, but aware of the drink, what it tastes like. That's basically Bailey's.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's nice. It's got a little bit.
It's something different. It's got a little flavor to it, but. So that is going to be a really good.
Nice.
That's going to be a good swap for the Baileys. Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this. Okay, pass me the vodka.
Says no one ever.
I mean, I'm okay with it. I'm just saying, I'm okay with it. Okay, so you want 1 ounce of your vodka, okay? Okay, that was a little ghetto right there. A little shaky, a little bit of a shaky start.
1 ounce.
Yes, and I handed you that, okay.
Should have brought the cup closer.
Okay, sorry. And half an ounce, just put that there. Half an ounce of our white rum.
White rum.
So we're using Bacardi because Bacardi has not really led us astray. I mean,
you said 1 ounce.
Half an ounce. Did I say 1 ounce? I meant half an ounce. If I said one, I meant half.
So I need half.
Yes.
Makes sense.
And I'm starting to see where they got the name of this shot. Oh dear.
My stomach is past bubbling.
Oh Lord. Okay, now this is where it gets interesting. 3 to 5 drops. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. 1 second, y'all, 1 second. All right. It said 3 to 5 drops. We'll pour the rest of that back in a minute.
You know what Cleveland Brown said before they sped up his voice back in the day? Oh, that's nasty.
Oh, that's nasty.
So,
Oh, we gotta stir it.
yeah, we're gonna just give it a quick, wow, okay. We're gonna give it a quick
looking
little
pretty
stir.
vitamin D.
Very vitamin D-ish.
Okay. All right.
All right, I'm gonna,
Okay. Oh, okay, that worked out.
now, Brittany's, you can actually, if you turn it to the side, you can actually see what it looks like.
It's a very fine specimen.
You know, I'm visual, so there you go. That's the visual representation of that. So should we take this here shot?
Yeah.
All right. So this is the,
Do you do it with your eyes closed?
hell.
Do you do it while your eyes are open? Do you just
Well, everybody has a
do you
different
just
technique.
like what do you do?
I mean, do you grasp it like that? You know, okay, sorry.
Wow.
Well, you went there. You went there. You went there. Okay. So, shot in a, what is it? Shot in a hot tub. A hot tub shot.
Something.
Okay, here we go.
Bottoms up.
Ooh, that burned. Wow. Oh, sorry.
God damn.
You start. You start. I don't know what to say.
I feel the potency in the shot. Not my favorite.
Why is it burned?
I can't even say I had better because, well, that'll just be wrong. Yeah, I just felt like I just downed rum and that. Maybe I should have added a little bit more liqueur.
I think we should have just poured
The liqueur in.
the liqueur in
to top it off. Yeah,
because you know the 3 to 5 drops of it.
it's not working.
It you know.
Yeah.
My gosh.
Do you normally like burp
Oh Lord.
after you like afterwards? Is that even?
Wow.
Do you? I mean, I'm just saying. Like, do you normally do it?
Don't normally swallow, so.
You swallowed.
Have you ever been swallowed up?
Okay,
But anyway,
go ahead and rate it, cause you got to the burning part and we just went off
Wow.
a deep cliff, you know.
that shot had something. I'm just gonna give this a. It's not a great shot. I'm gonna just give this a 5. I'm indifferent.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the color was
Spot on.
fairly spot on. So we'll give it an A for
Not
presentation. I guess if we can do that. But my esophagus is still burning. So it just kind of
What
tasted.
did you give me?
That's what he said.
Let me stop. All right, I'm sorry, sis.
Oh my God. Okay, so it didn't feel like there was any real purpose to the shot other than let's just give it a dirty name because it looks similar to something.
They could have called it dirty water, tap water,
Right.
I don't know, something.
You know,
Fish water, I don't know.
calcium water. I don't know, whatever.
Zinc. Yeah, all that.
All of it.
Rice water.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the rice water is.
Yeah, that's not gonna be bad.
It didn't come to. Wow.
It didn't do what it was supposed to do. And
was
I
trying
don't
to stay
actually
together,
really
but-
want to ask for that either, because
Right. Because then you're just guzzling the shots.
this episode is pretty awkward.
So, okay, and giving it a rating, yeah, 4.5 to 5, 4.5 to 5. If you're just trying to get toasted, go for it. But you could also just take tequila shots.
There's that.
So, but again, in terms of the criteria, dirty name drink, I mean, it is indeed dirty by name, okay? And it did live up to what it was alluding to. It just
Look-wise.
right, just didn't really deliver in the taste department. Wait, this is really getting bad. Okay, I'm just gonna stop.
I was about to say,
Woo!
experience.
Nope. Okay, so anyways, listen, in the spirit of just having fun, y'all try this out. You should try it out. Just try it out. Just you know, you having your girls over and you just want to have like a little fun, whatever. You know, okay, this is not working out.
No.
I'm gonna stop talking. You go.
Oh, that's nasty.
There's literally nothing I can say that'll make this better. It's just always gonna sound
Terrible. And
worse.
for my family, mommy, it was her fault. She picked it.
Well, we were picking dirty. You sent me the article,
I am
Heffa.
a child of the Lord.
But the child of the Lord did a search on the internet and sent me the article. So all I'm saying
did you
is
see
I
these
pulled from
heathens
source material.
post this?
I pulled from source material, which was provided from my colleague.
Okay. It was a rabbit hole. I didn't know. It's a whole thing. Takes 7 to 8 business days.
I
to
mean,
get to
listen,
you. I don't
the
know.
episode is dirty name drinks. You want me to pick Sex on the Beach? Like, no, we're supposed to
that's
go.
so basic.
It's basic. So we were like, okay, what's this? And so now we tried it.
I'm using Big Gulp.
You might as well, because that was actually tasty. This is tasty right here. Y'all go get
It
you
gives
this.
you like a coffee.
Didn't you
type.
say it was Caribbean owned?
Yep. Show is.
We'll be sure to include some more information about LS. I'm not even going to say the full title because in the context of this drink, it's making me look worse.
Yeah.
Okay, but it's tasty, and
We'll be back.
that component of the beverage was spot on.
Yeah.
So in light of us just not saying other things that is going to make this worse, let's end on a high note, shall we?
Okay.
Okay, we'll be back. Oh my God. Oh, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I mean, that's
Her mind was in the gutter.
it was so far in the gutter that I forgot the normal stuff because I was too scared it was gonna be like seen differently. Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe. And ring that bell, okay? That's a bell that you can do. Ring that bell, okay? And try this out.
Bring the bell.
We'll be back.
Bring the bell.